Hello, I'm getting ready to make dinner and I'm making something quick and it's very reasonable to make. And I took 3 cups of lentils and I rinsed them very well. And then I have a onion, a medium-sized onion that I coarsely, or however you want it, chopped, diced. And a lady from Africa, one of my friends, she taught me this. This gives the lentils a really good flavor. Don't open them. Don't cut them open or anything. Leave them whole and just drop them in. I'll show you at the end. You just drop them in. And I've only had them, I make it like that all the time. I've only had it make the lentils or the beans hot like once or twice, and they were extremely hot. But for the most part, even my husband likes to just eat these. These are little prizes, and me and him love to eat these right out of the lentil soup. And they're not as hot when they're cooked like this, actually cooked. So I've made it probably 100 times, and I've only had it get hot twice. And I like hot stuff, but I want the flavor from this, not the heat. So that's what that's doing, just flavor. And then I did an onion. I did about 1.5 cups of celery. You can do 2 or 3 stalks. I did about 5 carrots. I like a lot of vegetables in our lentil soup. And then I have 2 quarts of water. And I'm just going to start letting this cook. I'm going to let it come to a boil, and then I'll drop it down to medium-high and let this cook, and then I'll add the seasonings. I always add the seasonings at the end. Okay, I have it over here on my burner, and it's on high. And I'm going to put my little trusty wooden spoon in here. This will keep it from overflowing usually. If I have just a wooden spoon just sitting here like this, I usually don't get it overflowing if I walk away and it starts boiling and overflowing. So see, there's my peppers just floating there, getting ready to add some wonderful flavor. Oh my goodness, my friend, her beans were so good. They were just wonderful. I've never had such good lentil soup until I tasted hers. And so this is how she did it. Okay, I came in and my lentils were boiling. I was busy doing something in the other room, and I knew I had to get in here, and good thing I got in here just in time. It didn't burn the bottom, so I just need to add more water. It's totally fine. And I started with 2 quarts. I'm going to add another 4 cups, and I'll probably end up adding another 4 cups. So about 4 quarts. Maybe another. I like to just add it as I go and see how I need it. Maybe a couple more cups, so 6 more cups. Sorry, I usually just cook. I'm not used to trying to tell everybody. I just usually cook by smell and by looking at it. So I'm trying to put these together and give you amounts, and it's kind of hard. Okay, so I'm just going to continue letting these lentils cook until they're done. Okay, my lentils are almost done. I'm going to start adding my spices. I have a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And if you don't want that much, don't put in that much. Just kind of adapt it to what you like. I have about 1.5 teaspoons of Himalayan pink salt you can use to taste. I have about a teaspoon of cumin. And in here I have a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. And it smells good. And then just mix that up and let that cook. And your lentil soup is ready. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget these little lovelies in here if you like peppers. At first we didn't like them, but now everybody wants it. Well, my husband and me love those things. I could eat it right now, but I'm not. I only had 2 in the refrigerator. I would normally put about 4 in here, so somebody gets 1. Everybody gets 1. So that's lentil soup, a vegetarian style. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.